Good morning, children. So now today we will go for the third lesson. Already half the part were completed. Different types of beaks we are observed. Okay. What's our third lesson? Flying friends. Okay. In this lesson we know different types of beaks. Okay, and different types of birds and water birds and current birds. Okay, and birds of prey. You know different types of birds. So today we will discuss about their beaks. Okay, how they are compared with the other instruments. Now we have to see. Open Studio. See page number 39 up to page number 38. Already we have completed this. So now see page number 39. Here they are given type of bird and shape of the beak and uses of the beak. See here first one woodpecker. Okay, first one woodpecker. Shape of the beak is the shape of the chisel. It is the one type of instruments, tools they are used for that wood and uses the open hard fruits. Okay, so woodpecker they can open hard fruits and find insects in the bark of the trees. Some trees they are having on the some insects on their bark. Okay, so these birds they can eat the insects. Okay, and make holes in tree trunks for nest. So make holes on the trees. Do you observe some trees that are having holes? Okay, these woodpeckers they can do that holes. Okay, so they are using their beak to make a holes on the trees. And next one see nectar eaters. So woodpecker we can call insect eaters because they are eating insects on the bark of the trees and next they are eating insects on the fruits. Okay, insect eaters these are. And next one hummingbird. Okay, it is the nectar eaters. Some flowers they are having nectar. It is like a sweet juice. Okay, so they can drink that nectar from their beak. See that beak, it's like a straw. Okay, long like a straw. It can suck the nectar. Okay, and here sip nectar from flowers. Sip. So they are taking the juice from the flowers. That is we can call nectar. Okay, they can suck the nectar from the flowers. How? Just look at this pig. How they are suck the nectar. Okay, next one see nut and fruit eaters. Who's that nut and fruit eaters? Grosbeak. Okay, this is the one type of the bird, grosbeak. See how these beaks are looking like these instruments, sharp, conical and strong like a nutcracker. Okay, you know nutcrackers. So its beak, grosbeak beak also like that nutcracker. Okay, it is a short and conical and strong like a nutcracker. So uses of the beak is open nuts and seeds. Okay, some fruits they are having seeds on their fruits and some nuts also. So these beaks they are used for open the nuts and crack and open hard fruits. Okay, some fruits it can crack the hard fruits. Open up page number 40. And next seed eaters. Okay, some birds they are eating insects and some birds they are eating nuts and some birds they are eating fruits and some birds they are eating nectar. So here swallow bird. See, these bird eats seeds. Okay, so its beak like this, small and sharp like a pin. You know toothpickers, you know. So its beak also like that. It's like a pin. And these beaks you can use to eat fruits and can catch insects by opening mouth. Okay. So next one fish eaters. You know already heron and swan, crane. It is a what type of bird? Heron like this crane. So it can also eat fish. Okay, its beak is long and pointed like a spear. Okay, see here, it's like a spear. Okay, they can pick the fish and other small animals living in the water. Most these birds are living in the water, okay, because they are searching the food in water, because they are eating fish, okay. These birds we can call fish eaters. And next one, filter feeders. Swan, you know, swan is a very good quality of swan. Filter feeders. When we are adding milk and water, the swan we can separate the milk and water. Okay, these are very good filter feeders. See, it beak like a flat like a filter. It's beak like a filter. And it can filter small water plants from mud and water, and it can separate small water plants from the mud and water, okay, and they can separate milk and water also, okay children. So next one, page number 41, you are having 3.5 activity. Here they are given name of the birds, okay. So here you have to write what is this bird. Sparrow. Then write sparrow spelling. Okay, here already one given. And see shape of the beak. So it's like a chisel. And food they can eat. Woodpecker eat insects. Like that you have to write all these birds. Birds names and shape of the beak and food they can eat. Okay. First you have to try, and after I will send a WhatsApp link. And next one, see page number 42, feet and claws. Now we are observing different types of birds and different types of birds' beaks. Now we can observe birds' feet and claws. Okay, all birds have two legs. They use their legs to walk and climb and speed. So these feet, the feet of birds end in sharp curved nail-like structures called claws. Children, do you observe this? Bird's legs. So, bird's legs, they are having claws. Okay, it's very sharp to tear down plants or some animals, insects. So, that's why they are using these claws. Okay, see here, first one they are given, and they can dig the soil also, because they can search the food in the soil. So a few types of claws are explained here. See first one, some birds have feet that have two toes that point forward and toes that point backward, shaped like a N X. See. Exactly not like this, but some birds claws like this in X shape. Some toes in front and some toes in back. Backward and frontward they are having toes like this. Okay. So they help the bird hold the tree trunk and climb. For example, they are having the type of claws. So they can hold the tree bark. Okay. So examples, woodpecker. Woodpecker have this type of feet, this type of claws. And next one, see, some birds have feet with the skin connected to the toes. This is called webbed feet. Okay, what is that? Webbed feet. Webbed feet means see the skin covered with the toes. Okay, these toes we can call webbed feet. Once look at this feet, the ducks they are having this type of feet. They help the bird paddle in the water. When they are walking in the water, so these feet they can help them. So for example, ducks they are having the webbed feet. And next one, see, some birds have strong feet and long and curved claws. They help the bird catch, hold and kill the prey. Eagles, see, eagles also like this. They are having like this claws, but they are having in front. Four toes they are having in the front. So they are help to catch and hold they can kill their prey. Okay, for example, seagulls they are having like the toes. And next one, see, first three toes they are having in front and one is the back side. Some birds have the long toes and they help the bird walk in water and wetland. Okay, these type of toes they are helping to walk in water also. Okay, like cranes they are having these type of toes. And next one, see some birds have 3 toes that point forward and one that point backward. For example, in these toes they have very long these toes. But here it is a small and 3 are the front and 1 is the back side. And helps the bird sit on the top of the trees and walk and hop. Okay, like the, can you observe crows? Okay, crows are having front 3 toes and back side 1 toe. So they can hop and they can climb the trees and they can walk on the trees. Okay, and next one see ostrich. Can you observe ostrich feet? See, some birds have strong feet with only 2 toes. Ostrich they are having only 2 toes. These are the largest bird, but they are having only 2 toes in each leg. So they help the bird run very fast, very fast. Okay, these are having only 2 toes. These help them to run very fast. Okay, ostrich they are having like that. See page number 43. 3.6 activity. Here also they are given some rearrange the jumbled letters, figure 9, and to find different body parts of your birds, use the clues given here. See, they are given jumbled letters. So we have to arrange in correct way, and here they are given clues also. So complete this activity. So up to now we know different types of beaks and what is the shape of the beaks and what are the uses of their beaks. Now you can know. So here also you have to complete this activity 3.5 and you have to complete the 3.6. Today your work is 3.5 activity and 3.6. Okay children. So you have to complete today. We know different types of feet and different types of toes and different types of claws also. Okay, birds are having claws mostly. Okay children, up to now the class completed. Next class we will discuss remaining. So if you are completed fast, then only we will go for next one. Okay children, bye.